everybody, it's Rosario. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about my Mixtiles order. But before I get into the video, I want to mention a few things. Whenever I'm filming a video, you are always going to hear kids in the background. Crying, squeaking, jumping, or asking for things. Yes, always kids in the background. It's just the way it is. I am the mom, I'm the chef, I'm the cleaner, I'm the everything. So one of the main reasons that I decided to make this video is for you. Just in case you have been thinking about ordering some Mixtiles, so you can see what you're getting and an overall idea about the product. Since we have a new house, I've been trying so hard to find a way to print some pictures. And I have so many pictures that I would like to print, but I really don't want to ruin the wall. So there is two walls that I'm trying to decorate with pictures. One is right behind me above the fireplace, and the other one is right in front of the dining room table. All right, let me show you what I got and tell you my pros and cons. It came in this box. I have so many pictures that I would love to print. Pictures from our wedding, maternity, the kids growing up, but there's just too many. Am I going to have to hang all that and make all those holes in the wall? I think the presentation is really nice. Inside the box, it has a few layers because I ordered a lot of pictures. It came with this little card with 1, 2, 3 steps to how to do it, how to install the Mixtiles. Alright, so why Mixtiles? Mixtiles supposed to be easy to order, free shipping, easy to hang, don't damage the wall, and number 5, convenience. But let me show you the actual product. This is one of my Mixtiles. I honestly was a little bit disappointed on the quality of the product. It's plastic and it's so light. I was definitely expecting something a little bit more high-end or better quality. I didn't think about plastic. Now for the cons, in my opinion, you need to use the computer because the number 1 con is a very small preview of the picture. Number 2, price. The first 3 towels were $12 and anything after that was $9. I spent $212 with 36 cents. It can get really expensive really quick. The quality, I don't think the quality is that great. For the price, I was definitely expecting something else, like maybe wood, or maybe stronger, or maybe not plastic. Number 4, although the printing quality is okay, you have to consider that you might get a few blurry pictures. And number 5, the options. We don't get many options. And I really wish they will give us the option to choose between different styles in one order. But unfortunately, they told me that at the moment they weren't doing that. Let's do a recap on the pros and cons. Pros: easy to order, easy to hang, don't damage the wall, free shipping, and convenience. Cons: a small preview, price, quality of the picture, and options. For me, the most important was don't damage the wall and convenience. It was fairly easy to order and it only took a couple weeks to get delivered to my house. My recommendations for you if you're thinking about ordering some Mixtiles are: order from the computer so you can get a better preview of the picture. Try not to spend over $100. Don't get carried away. And if you do get carried away, don't let your husband find out. Is a Mixtiles worth the money for you? Well, that's for you to decide. I hope that this video was helpful for you, just in case you were considering about ordering some Mixtiles. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment below, and hit the notification bell for more things to come. And see you next time. Bye-bye.